on Watch and Create, we're going to be making this fun snow globe. Let's get started. So now we want to cut out the middle of our second plate, and the plates have this lower indentation here. We just want to cut along this line so that we're just left with the outer rim of the plate. So now I'm just turning the plate over, and this would be best for a grown-up to do this part. So I'm just poking a hole in the center of the plate, and then I'm going to cut around the indentation. Once your snow globe is all dry, you can start adding on the fun stuff like the trees, and I glued on some snowflakes and jewels. And now my favorite part is gluing on my fun little penguin friends. Now I'm using a sheet protector, and I'm just going to cut off the side and the bottom. And now I'm just going to cut the sheet protector down the middle. Now I'm just going to place our snow globe down and take a pencil and just trace along the outside of the snow globe. And now we're just cutting out the circle with scissors, and it's okay if you have a little bit excess of the page protector because we can always trim it later. Next, once we've placed glue all along the outer ridge of our snow globe, we can just place the page protector down and just press it into the glue slightly. Okay, and now we just repeat that step and place glue all along the outer ridge again. And finally, we just place our rim down. I placed paper clips all along the outside of our snow globe, and we're just gonna let it dry overnight. It's the next day and our snow globe is all dry, so you can turn it upside down, you can shake it really fast, but this is just such a fun, adorable project that I love, and I hope you have as much fun as I did. And before I go, I have a fun snow trivia question. Where in the United States are the heaviest snowfalls? Do you have a guess? The heaviest snowfalls are in the Rocky Mountains and in the Sierra Nevada mountain ranges. Brr, sounds cold to live there, right? Well, I learned that fun fact from the 𝐬𝐻IN County Library's database, the World Book for Kids. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time on Watch and Create. Bye!
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.